Hey, what's going on, guys and girls? It's your boy RebuildSZN coming to you with a Madden rebuild video. It's not going to be all of it because rebuilds generally take a while. The whole point of a rebuild, well, you guys know what rebuild mean. I mean, if they're a really good team, I'm still gonna do generally 3 to 5 years is what I'm gonna do for each franchise. The goal is a goal in life. Whatever you do in sports or anything, to win. That's the point of the video, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna attempt to win a championship with whatever team I choose. And in this vid, what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna be the New York Giants. What a better way to start off than trying to rebuild one of the most storied franchises in NFL history. It won't be easy because they have not been the best for a while now. We're gonna try to get Saquon that ring because Saquon deserves it. He's a good guy. He's one of the most humble superstars out there. The only problem with him is he has not been able to stay healthy. And I feel like that's like a huge problem. If you can't stay healthy, no matter how talented you are, it's not going to end well. And in that case, I do think Saquon is a generational talent, even at a position like running back, which is not like the longevity in a running back these days are not very high. There's not much. And you generally don't pay running backs that big contract. We've seen it change a little bit recently with Derrick Henry, but Derrick Henry has been a guy who he's never gotten hurt. You've never been like, wow, Derrick Henry's out 6 to 8 weeks with something. He hasn't slowed down yet. He's just started, his career has just started chugging along, because if you remember the beginning of his career, he was behind DeMarco Murray. Wasn't really a guy who got a lot of, carries in the beginning. So now you're seeing it. You're seeing how good he is. You're seeing what he can be. And what he can be is a monster. He's called King Henry for a reason. But this is not about Derrick Henry. This is about Saquon, and this is about who I'm going to rebuild. Probably gonna cut all this out anyway. Alright, so let's go. Alright, I'm not gonna change the sliders. I'm not gonna change the sliders at all, because I feel like it's a little much. Alright, so basically these boys aren't very good, which is something. It's alright, we can work with it. We can work with this. Daniel Jones, a guy who was picked a little bit earlier than projected. I'm gonna go ahead and a lot of people did not think he was gonna be picked, but he was picked early first round. And so far you can say he's been inconsistent. He's been a guy who, on one hand, has made some really good throws, zip on the ball, and the next, you're wondering what's going through your head when you make a throw, or his main issue is fumbling. He has been a guy who has fumbled a ton. he fumbled in college. So he's not really changed that so far, and I feel like you can work on it. He can get better at it, and that's what it's going to take for him to be the guy that the Giants need. You have to stop turning over the ball by fumbling. Can he do it? Sure he can. Will he do it? Don't know. In this rebuild, he's going to be a guy who I'm going to give him a year. If we somehow look up into the first pick and he has not played well, Trevor Lawrence, it's going to be tough not to pick him. Like, to pass on Trevor Lawrence, it's like, would be crazy. Would be career suicide as an owner, as a GM, as someone who makes decisions for the team. And we can do basically what the Cardinals did with Josh Rosen when they drafted Kyler Murray first. Trade him. Daniel Jones is 23 years old. Somebody will want Daniel Jones. Running back. See, Saquon. Enough said. A monster. Backups. I mean, don't really need a backup when you have Saquon, but you do when he gets injured, which he has shown he will. Hopefully he does not in this franchise. Receivers. This is the big question mark. On one hand, Golden Tate's really nice. He's a really nice number 2-ish. Like, he's a high level elite slot, really solid number 2. Sterling Shepard, when he plays, he's good. Only problem is he gets hurt a lot. Darius Slayton, the deep threat, really good receiver, really solid. He's going to be a monster. This is a spot where if a free agent receiver that comes along, you can bet I'll get him or attempt to. Drafting, I don't like drafting receivers with other needs on the team, but I also believe in giving your young quarterback some help. So whether that's a receiver, lineman, whatever it may be, that's what we're going to see. Evan Ingram, really basically a receiver, but his hands are very questionable. Like in traffic, even then he drops open passes as well. So do I want to move him to receiver? That's something I'm thinking about. 90 speed, that's not, obviously same speed as these guys, but if we happen to look up into a tight end in free agency, I may move him to receiver. You may see it. No one else really to think about. Looks like Daniel Jones. Daniel Bryan a little bit. But anyway, Nate Solder, he opted out of the season in real life because of COVID concerns, I believe. So in this one, he's going to play. I'm gonna keep him. I'm gonna move him to right. This guy looks very interesting. Kevin Zeitler. Don't have a center. They got some interest. No, they don't. Will Hernandez, I like him. He's a mauler. Love him. He took a step back actually from last year. Last year he looked like he was really gonna take that next step into being a, above average guard. He took a step down a little bit. He's still, he's still good. He's a solid guy. He has star. You love to see it. Dexter Lawrence, good guy. Somebody you can build around. Got a nice little, I won't call him a superstar. Does he have the potential? I also won't even say he has the potential to be a superstar, but he will be a really solid player. He has star. Like, look at that. Leonard Williams, Leonard Williams is really good. We thought he was going to be the next guy, like Aaron Donald type. Didn't happen, which is good though. Not everybody's Aaron Donald. There's only one Aaron Donald. Come on. But he's good. Really solid. Does he have star? Look at that. Another star. D tackle, Dalvin Tomlinson. Really solid. Like, their line is solid. They have a solid D line. Their defense as a whole in real life is actually pretty nice. So that's something that we definitely going to build upon. Lorenzo Carter. Hopefully he turns into something. It's something I'm going to think about moving him to middle linebacker. They have Blake Martinez there. Blake Martinez in real life is pretty solid. In Madden, he doesn't really get the respect he should, which is fine because they do that a lot about. They do that a lot about a lot of people that's not like a big name. They do that, so we'll be fine. Outside linebacker is something. Right outside linebacker is something that's not that solid, so we're gonna have to work with that. We'll see what we can do. Bradbury, he's a guy who initially I thought he was overpaid, which I still don't believe in paying corners. Let me see how much he's making. Wasn't he like close to the highest paid corner in football when he signed? And then Byron Jones came in, or was it before? I can't remember. Yeah, 16, but at least it decreases each year. Yeah, 16 is not as bad as I thought. It was like 20. I thought like 20 is ridiculous, but no, 16 is not awful. But I feel like that could have been paid to something else, like 3 different players. But he has played like a top tier corner in real life, so far it looks like a good deal. And DeAndre Baker, I believe, was on this team, but he got arrested, charged with theft or something like that. So he got cut in real life, and I think his career is probably done. He's gonna be in jail, which is something that's tough because he was a late first round pick. He still had expectations to be something. And this is where I'm really, it's very interesting because Logan Ryan, who's good for the Titans, but for some reason teams steered away from him in free agency. So he got picked up late. Picked up by the Giants, good pick. Xavier McKinney, sorry. He's gonna be the guy who we're looking at heavy as you're gonna be the guy. You're gonna be a monster. Another Alabama safety. We gonna need you. Jabril Peppers in the trade for Odell. So I'm expecting him to have a crazy year because you traded away Odell Beckham. So you're gonna have to do something for me. Graham Gano, 99 kick power. Enough said. Riley Dixon, punters don't really matter in Madden. I mean, we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. No 5th round pick, which is fine. And yeah, that's the team. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna scour trading blocks. We're gonna look for players. We're going to, first of all, that's what I want to do. I do want to make a trade. I do want to trade some of these older players to try to get a pick. Some picks coming in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by trading Jabal Sheard. We'll trade him to a team that probably would give us a decent pick for him. We actually need some, and boom, there you go. The Chiefs, go ahead and you can give us a 4th for him. I will take that. I probably could have gotten more, but I want to do somewhat realistic. I'm not gonna be totally realistic, but I'm not gonna trade your ball shit for a first round pick. Like, that's just ridiculous. Marcus Golden got traded to the Cardinals in real life, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and do that. Get a 5th for him. Ooh, see, that's how. Alright, so we're just gonna trade Marcus Golden somewhere else. The Cowboys need all kind of help in real life. Sean Lee. Nah, Sean Lee's a solid guy. You just hope he doesn't get hurt again. Alright, I'm sure they'll do this. 5th. Alright. There's no point in trading anybody else trying to incur a penalty, cap penalty. So what we're gonna do, all right, let's go ahead and just send him to the regular season. I'm gonna let computer cut who they need to cut. I'm not gonna cheese by signing 99 speed players in free agency, because speed doesn't really matter in sim. So this is what we're gonna do though with the depth chart. Oh, whoa, what's happening here? I'm about to say, what the hell? Anyway, Saquon, obviously. I'm gonna actually go Shepard in this lot, because I feel like he can excel there. I hope he has a good season. Nate Solder, Will Hernandez. Alright, so they did exactly what I was going to do, basically. Dexter Lawrence is good. Leonard Williams is good. Lorenzo Carter is going to be the starter there. Hopefully he has a really good season. We're going to go ahead and move him there, because I think he has potential. And here we're going to go with the rookie. We're going young youth movement. Here, these corners are not the move. And so here, third down back Saquon. Power should be Saquon. Slot receiver should be Shepard, like I said. Slot corner, we're gonna actually go Logan Ryan. He played a lot of nickel corner for the Titans last year. Great players. Gonna do a few of those. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna make any more changes after that. We're gonna go ahead and send to the mid-season. We have to look at injuries, see if we have any injuries, which I hope. Blake Martinez is injured. Julian Love is injured. All right, it's not terrible. So we're gonna send the mid-season. So let's see what happens. At least give us 2 wins. Hopefully. That is the move. Hey, we put up 34 points against the Bucs, so I feel like we've been doing that the whole season. We're bound to have some wins. 2-6. Okay. Daniel Jones is 6th in passing, the 20th in touchdowns. How many picks does he have? 13 and 10. It's actually not bad. Saquon's having a really solid year. How many fumbles? 1 fumble. I don't think they count, I don't think they fumble in the Sims. Like the quarterbacks, if they get sacked, because I don't think they put that in the algorithm like that. So can't be too happy. Hey, this is like solid production across the board. Like, Nate Solder. Nate Solder looks like he might be done, man. I can't be happy with that. You can't be happy with that. Leonard Williams is having a spectacular year. Awesome. And that's another thing Madden needs to do. They need to have more picks and sacks in Sims. This has been talked about for years with a lot of people. People want sacks and turnovers. It's just not in the game. In Sim, I don't understand. And no injuries. That is awesome to see. All right, so let's see. Big decisions. We're gonna re-sign Leonard Williams. It's not a question. He should be through the rest of the video. Tomlinson. Oh, I just saw how much he wanted. $8 million. I don't know if I want to do that. We'll come back to that. Graham Gano. $3 million. Why not? You're one of the better kickers. Lewis, no. Fackrell is actually having a solid season. Why not? Anyone else? Nope. So let me see. What was I going to do? I was going to see what's the scheme? I need to see what's the scheme here. Are they 3-4-4-3? They're 3-4. So we actually do need Tomlinson. Could also, I don't know, man. I don't want to pay him $8 million. That's kind of crazy, I feel like. So we're downloading a draft class, a realistic draft class. Obviously, we're going for the boy. Going for the boy Trevor Lawrence if we get the first pick. If not, we're probably gonna. O-line is like a boring pick, though, man. It honestly is. This is the dream, though. I don't know, though. Daniel Jones hasn't been terrible, though. I can't fully be mad at how Daniel Jones has played. He has not had an O-line to protect him. So, Trevor Lawrence is the only quarterback I'm thinking about. Justin Fields. Oh, he's projected second, but he's going to get picked first, so I guess that doesn't matter that much. Receivers, obviously. Yeah, but this is the main thing. We're looking heavily at O-line. Like, that might be all of my scouting points at the end of the day. It's going to probably be O-line. Gonna go ahead and just upgrade these guys. What you can sim like let's say sim 3 weeks, like, you see what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna sim to the playoffs, forget it, and hopefully, I actually don't know. I mean, we could get a king's ransom for the first pick as well. So even if we somehow get the first pick, Trevor Lawrence isn't a guarantee. So we obviously weren't going to make the playoffs. 4-12. That's not terrible. Daniel Jones ended up 3,584 yards, 25-16, 45 sacks though. I can't even be mad at him for that. Compared to, like, look, Minshew, like, I can't even be mad at him. I can't. I literally can't be mad at Daniel Jones for not being good in that environment. Golden Tate had a good season. Somebody's going to want him in the offseason. He's definitely on the block. Ingram only 1 touchdown. Oh, that hurts, man. That hurts. Nate Solder, gave up 17. Oh, man. These guys. And when we checked that Lawrence at mid season, didn't he have 5 sacks? He ended with 6. Madden, please. And look at the picks. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous how that doesn't matter. Upgrade people. Resign staff. I feel like everybody should be re-signed, right? Actually, no. We need a trainer. He's not good at all. I'm gonna re-sign him. He seems like he's solid. He's already on the team. We're gonna advance next week. Oh, I also forgot to show you guys your stats. We're not gonna do all. I'm just looking to see if the Giants won anything. We're gonna do MVP, Coach of the Year, Ravens, yeah, and then we're just gonna look for Giants. Drew Brees. Any Giant here? Obviously not. Pacific of the Year. Any Giants here? No. McKinney was close. Not close, but you know what I mean. Best quarterback, Drew Brees. Saquon was second. That sucks. Nope, no receiver here. Definitely not gonna find the O-line here. D line. Nope. Linebacker. Nope. DB. Alright, so this is an all-around just bad season. But that's fine. That is fine. We knew it was going to be growing pains with this team. That's basically why I wanted to do it. Alright, so trainers. We're going to go after the best one because that's what we do. We're going to spend that money. We're going to try to bring in the best dude we possibly can because we need it. Alright, Pro Bowl is next week. Okay. Let's view the Pro Bowl roster. My guess would be Saquon. Yep. I don't think we're gonna have another Giant. I'll be surprised if we do. No more Giants. And that's fine. Like I said, didn't expect it. We have Ravens Packers in the Super Bowl. Could happen in real life. You never know. I kind of messed up by advancing the weeks like that in chunks because I missed a lot of scouting points. Zion Johnson looks nice. So does Trey Hill. So basically, it looks like we might be able to get some good ones later. So as of now, let's see what we can get. This guy's first round talent. And he's from Alabama. Hey, keep that trend going. I think he's going to be picked high, Parsons. But do you want to get a linebacker that high? Like, unless you think he's going to be Bobby Wagner, Kuechly type. I don't know if that's the case, though. A lot of questions. I don't think I need you, Thompson. So I'm gonna let you walk, bro. I might bring you back. It totally depends on if you're like the only one there, but as of now, I'm gonna have to let you go, bro. Actually, before that, anyone I can cut. Got Seidler, Solder, yep. Yeah, he's gone. I said it was gonna happen regardless. I can't do anything with that. If you're not gonna produce, making that much money, you gotta go. And that's really all I'm gonna do. That's the only thing I need to do. I felt like Giants fans are gonna thank me in the morning. They're gonna thank me when they see that video. And on this one, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and trade Golden Tate. Trade him to a team that needs a receiver. Hopefully we find somebody that's interested in him. Really? Nobody's like that interested in Golden Tate. Guess this makes sense because let's see if the Steelers will give us what we want. Nope, they already have receivers. What team doesn't have receivers like that? The Ravens. How do the Ravens not want him? I guess maybe not. Oh, Jets won't trade for him. No. Falcons, no. Eagles, no. Actually, Eagles. Yeah, okay. Trade him back to the Eagles. Give us a third. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, Eagles, why are you so much over the cap? It might be the only logical team. Actually, Chargers are a dark horse team. Yeah. Yeah, give us a third. Sure. Alright, give us a third and we'll give you a sixth back. That should work. No. Fifth? No. A fourth is probably gonna do it. But it's gonna have to be a fourth next year because I want those. Alright. So we got him off the team, which I'm cool with. He's gonna help out the Chargers. The Chargers are gonna get what they want. They got what they want out of it. Okay, so we're probably not going to do anything crazy in free agency. I don't see anything that makes me go, oh, we need him. Yeah, so only thing I would do is go Cordero Patterson just because he's a really good, he would be a really welcome addition. He can play running back, he can catch out the backfield, kick returner, receiver, all of that good stuff. So fullback. No receivers that make me go, I need him. Wow, AJ Green has fallen off. Do we bring him in just for 1 year deal? Just because it's AJ Green? Nah, I can't do that. I can't tell my fan base we're gonna pick up AJ Green. He's fallen off that much. Ooh, Jonnu Smith is very, very intriguing. But no. Trent Williams, no. Quentin Spain, no. Pouncey, no. Yeah, I don't see anything. Sheldon Rankings is technically better than Tomlinson, but he wants more. Andrew Billings is basically. Go Andrew Billings. We're gonna go ahead and pick up Shaquem Griffin. He's gonna start. We're gonna start him, but we feel like he's gonna be a guy who's gonna be that speed rusher that we need. Ooh, Bud Dupree's here though. Ooh, I'll come back to that. I like that. Any cornerback worth throwing out a flyer at? Travarius Ward. I like Travarius Ward's game. I like him. Let's go ahead and give him a contract. We got Logan. Marcus Williams is somebody. We got McKinney though. Any safety we can sign and put him at corner? No, we're good where we at. Quarterbacks. Any quarterback that's out there that's interesting? No. Yeah, we're not gonna do anything crazy. Yeah, I'm good. Wow, Patterson said no sir. All right, that's kind of annoying. James White. I feel like that's a really underrated pickup, honestly. Yeah, you 1 year deal. Almost $6 million. You know what? We're gonna give Josh Reynolds one. I'm gonna give him a 1 year prove it deal. If you play well, you get another one, bro. Pouncey is a guy who can be a good bridge. Yeah, I want to get Pouncey in here. I feel like he's gonna be a good bridge for whoever we draft. So just so he won't come in and we're not gonna kill Daniel Jones even more. This guy is interesting. Patrick Surtain Jr. I know it just says Surtain, but we know who that is. He's a guy who can be possibly Jalen Ramsey-ish. And let's say I got the 5th pick, I might go him. I just might do it. You can't pass up on guys like that because they will come back to bite you. I know drafting a cornerback that high is maybe you don't do it, but I don't know. I don't see how you pass up on him. So Reynolds accepted. So everybody accepted pretty much. Hakeem accepted. So we're set on our outside linebackers for this video. Yeah. So we're gonna go. Gonna go Lorenzo on the right side. That way. Yeah, that works. That's perfect. Got Billings, Leonard Williams. Okay. I messed up with the scouting, honestly. Does this coach have any points? Not available. That's fine. Oh my God, are you kidding? All right, so that's a bummer. James White rejected. So no running back wanted to come back up Saquon, which is, I mean, it's all right. I mean, I understand, but that doesn't make it better. Okay. I mean, it's going basically how I expected. Let's go ahead and see what's going on in this draft, though. So we have the second pick, and you know the Jags are gonna get Trevor Lawrence. I tried to talk him out of it. So let's see what the offers are, because I really don't like this spot. So we can go 10th pick, 13th, and then the 4th rounder, and it's the Vikings. Ooh. But the Dolphins on this hand, they could be really bad next year too. It's really just between who I think is going to be worse next year. I'm going to go 10th and hope that Surtain is still, he's going to be there, which he may not be actually, now that I think about it. Vikings, very questionable pick. They paired Justin Jefferson up with LSU teammate Jamar Chase. I could be wrong, maybe they didn't. Bucks could go Surtain. Oh, they went line play. Oh, okay. They went lineman. Smart. Damn, so the Cardinals are stacking up with like the premier like linebacker slash safety guys. You know, Parts, I'm not saying he was a safety, but they drafted Simmons the year before. Like, that defense is gonna be fast and athletic. And the Eagles go Pitts. It's a head scratcher. It is a head scratcher. Rondell Moore, and the Falcons go receiver, which is also a head scratcher. And the Jets go Surtain. Great pick. Jets needed it. They definitely needed it. I could go the other corner though. His stats weren't that far off. Talking about a guy who ran a 4.45, 3 cones, great. I feel like you can't. I want to pass up on this guy because I feel like he's going to be I'm gonna go. I feel like you can't pass up on him. 8th pick, true talent. 8th and true talent. Okay. Man, it's 93 speed, 70. This guy's a gem. He's gonna be nice. I feel like we knocked that pick out the park. In this one, I feel like we can go Justin Fields. Yeah, right. I feel like this is tough. Yeah, I feel like, I'm gonna go lineman. Great pick. Starter day 1. I think I'm gonna kick him to guard though. And I think we're going to be flying blind with the rest of this draft, which is the scariest thing you could say in a Madden draft. Do we go Justin Fields just in case, though? Yeah, I'm going to go Justin Fields. Just to put a light of fire under Daniel Jones. Cause I don't truly believe in him. I'm gonna give him. This is his last year. If he plays the same way, he's out. I can't just keep letting mediocrity go. This guy's pretty solid too. I'm gonna pick him up. I don't want him to get picked. I could kick Zion over the right tackle and he'll play for Pouncey next season. Let him learn. I think that's what I'm going to do. And with this one, I think I'm gonna go receiver, but I don't have any of them scouted, which is kind of scary. Could go running back as well. Actually don't know. I'm gonna go for like the best athletes now and just hope and pray they're good, because I have no idea. He's fast. Hidden development. I feel like that's really nice. That's nice. A possible gem. He's still here. This guy's 6'4", but he doesn't have. I don't know what. I'm gonna pick him. Fuck it. 68. Not terrible. 90 speed. Yeah. Not a bad pick. I feel like he's a useful guy. Like, he's a jump ball guy. We're probably gonna go running back here. You're in a 4-5-1, 4-5-3, 4-4-8, elusive back. He's a power back. I'm gonna go him. 68, another good pick. He's going to be that power guy. If he ever plays. Alright, so I see these guys here are very questionable. The guys who projected late second rounders, but then they're still here at round we're in. I want to pick them. Why not? 63. Yeah. I knew we were going to strike out eventually, but it never hurts to try. So he's probably not going to make the team. And if he does, he's practice squad possibly. I mean, 5th and 6th round, 7th round is when you're thinking these are practice squad guys anyway. He didn't do a combine thing, but he's. We're gonna go him. Fuck it. All right, so that combine is real. He was already like, whoa, that's bad. That is bad. I'm ashamed. I'm not picking receiver. 4.32. Wow, he's fast. They say I reached, but that's speed. 98 speed. Wow. I think he maybe. I don't know what I'm gonna do with him. I feel like I can use that. Alright, so adjust the roster. Let's look at everything. Daniel Jones and Justin Fields. That's gonna be interesting. Saquon got the Rook there. Elijah Penny, which I don't know if he's gonna be here when the season starts. Darius Slayton, Shepard, Reynolds. We're gonna cut this guy. I don't really care for him. Callaway, we're gonna cut him as well. I will just do all that stuff off screen or in the next video. I'm just showing you this stuff, and then we're gonna go to the next season, and I'm gonna probably end the video because we're gonna do these videos, and I'm gonna say in each year. We're not gonna like put out a 2-hour, 3-hour video just to give you the seasons or whatnot. Zeitler. So we're gonna move this guy to right tackle. He's gonna play. Like day one starter. Boom. Perfect. Dexter Lawrence. Didn't draft anybody for the line, but this guy is probably gonna get cut. How fast is he? Nope. Shaquem. Blake Martinez. Can this guy have any zone in him? If he does, he might get kicked over the. No, he does not. Carter does though. It's a very interesting thing I could do. I could kick him over the middle linebacker, have this guy start because he does have a hidden development, but no, I'll leave it alone. Alright, so these are. Oh, I forgot. I totally forgot about Charvarius Ward. So boom, then boom. Then he's gonna be the slot. That's gonna be that ordeal. David McKinney, Julian Love was set at free safety spot. Set. Julius Peppers, solid. Jonathan Dillard, kicker, solid. Riley Dixon, like I said, whatever. So that's basically the team, and that's basically the year 2 squad. We won't have a position battle for a quarterback yet. We're gonna give Daniel Jones one more season, and if he puts up the same stats, he's going to get traded. Like that's just how that's the cold hard fact of football. Because this is not. I didn't draft him. This is a new regime. I did not draft him. I gave him a chance. So if he does not succeed now, he has weapons. I feel like he has a better O-line than he did last year. Another year of Saquon. Like, what more do you want? But on that note, I'm gonna end the video. I want to thank everybody who joined. Who, even if it was for a second, the fact that you thought about it, I respect it. I appreciate it. I love you all. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your enemies. I'm bully season, and I'm out.